Hello friends. Today we are going to solve second problem on lead code, which is add two numbers. In this, we will be given two non-empty linked list, uh, and it will holds two non-negative integers, and the digits are stored in the reservoir, which means like if a number is 342, then linked list will hold in this manner. Okay. So and it also state that add the two number return we have to return the linked list, and you may assume the two numbers do not contains any leading zero except the number zero itself. So we'll going to okay. So we'll going to do with the Python 3. Okay, solution with Python 3. Okay. So let's solve this by basically let's do a simple math here. So number is 2, linked list holding this way, and another number is 5, 6 and 4. So actual number is 3, 4, 2, and for this actual number is 4, 5, 4, 6, 5. Okay. So for summing a number, then first we have to add 2 and 5. So here we will do 2 and 5. So we'll sum the first two nodes of each linked list. First nodes of each linked list. Then if there is any carry, we'll take to the second nodes and add carry plus second node of each linked list. Okay, and we will do the same thing uh, until we found the end of any of the linked list. So now it may possible that a number can have 4 digits and another number has a 3 digits, so it'd be like this. Okay, so in that case we can assume it's a 0, because 0342 is 342, as we know. Okay, so let's start writing code for this. Okay, uh, so we have to return a linked list. So let's create a result linked list which holds the 0 as an initial. Okay, and then we'll create a tail, so that we can this will because we know linked lists are in single direction, so we it points to the next, it's dynamic array, so it points to the object using the pointer. So okay, so but we cannot reverse, so we have to make a one more variable, so we can use that to add the element into our result array. Okay, so first we'll check uh, L1 and L2, or L1 and L2 should not be empty. If any of them have a number, we are okay with it. Okay, so we have to assume, like not assume, we have to take like we have to take the value of L1 or L2. If any of them none, we take the as a 0, because 0 plus any number is same. 0 plus 1 is always 1. Okay, so let's take a num1 will be L1 dot val. If L1 is not none, else 0. Okay, and let and we will do the same thing with the second linked list. If L2, else 0. Okay, now we will check if it heads. Okay, now we have to make. So let's create a temporary a node which will hold the sum of this. So sum will be num1 plus num2. Okay. So list node would be sum. Okay. And we'll assign it to temp.next. Oh, sorry, tail.next. And we will point tail to next pointer. Okay. Now we'll move the elements also to next pointer. So that would be L1. We'll put L1 value to next pointer if and if only if L1 is not none, else we'll make it a none. Okay. Same thing we will do with the L2. L2 dot next if L2 else none. Okay. Now let's now now we are just doing the sum. Okay, so we have done with the like if we look through this I iterate this linked list. So we have done 2 and 5 equals to 7. So we have checked L1 is not none, L2 is not none, so it will true, and L1 value it will take because L1 is not none. So L1 value is 2 and L2 value is 5. It will sum it. L2 and 5 equals to sum. The tail next will be the next element 7. Okay, and the tail it will point to the name. Now we point to this. So now L1 currently on 4 and L2 is currently on 6. Now if we loop through this, it will true again because 6 L2 is not none and L1 is also not none. So now num1 will hold 4 and num2 hold the 6. So sum would be 4 and 6, which is 10. So we know that the result should hold a one digit in single node. So we will take the carry to the next level. So we can. So let's create a one carry. Okay. So let's create a carry. So we'll mod it by 10. So we'll get the. So this way we can get carry and this will add number 4 6 plus carry which is 0 which is 10. 10 divided by 10 modulus 10 is sum would be 0 and the carry would be 1. Okay. Now now we will put the sum into this and carry will remain go to the next level or next loop, next iteration of the while loop. So now we have to make sure that carry all should not be, if carry is having some value we should add it to the next. Okay. So now 4, now we have done with the 4 and 6. Now L1 holds the 3 and L2 holds the 4. Okay. Now num1 will head the 3 using this and num2 holds the 4. Now if we do this, num1 3 plus 4 plus 1 which is 8 and 8 divided by 10 means there is no carry. 8 modulus 10 means there is no carry and the sum would be 8. So we create a list node of 8 and we append it to the tail and we will point to the next if there is any. Okay. So now our linked list holds the result in res.next. Okay. Let's run the code. Okay. So you can see this is much faster. Okay.